2 weeks ago, the state of California had to step in because AI was eliminating jobs faster than the unemployment office could help replenish them. 142,000 tech jobs were eliminated this year alone. And you're probably sitting at a desk, the same desk that you've sat at for the last 5 years, and you're wondering if you're going to be next in the chopping block. And if that's you, I think I found some hope. I found a guy who made $3,196 from a boring skill that he already had. In fact, he was giving away this skill for free. And the best part is, it was just one skill that led to one product that he sold, and he didn't even have to quit his day job. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly the skill, and I'm going to reveal the person so that you can verify this information for yourself. I bet that I know exactly what you're thinking and feeling right now. You're probably thinking that your skills aren't special. You're thinking that if you know the skills, everybody else knows them too, and there'd be no reason for someone to pay you for your skill. You're probably thinking that you don't have time to start something new after work. You work 8 to 10 hours, you're tired, and you've got family obligation. And you're probably thinking you'll have to spend a bunch of time, energy, and effort learning a bunch of skills that you really don't have any interest in learning. In the next slide, I'm going to tell you why none of those actually matter if you want to make $3,196 a month from your skills. Now tell me if this sounds like you. You've watched 4 more make money with AI videos and you're no closer to starting something on your own because there's a lot of confusion and frustration. Like I mentioned, you're probably thinking that your skill isn't special, but there are millions of people right now that don't know what you know, however basic it might be. I'm sure you've heard this old adage before. Common sense ain't common. And in reality, it's the same thing with skills. Common skills aren't common. Ask yourself this question. At what age did you learn how to fix a tire? Or at what age did you learn that you couldn't put aluminum foil in a microwave? There are millions of people out right now that just don't know that. You're also thinking that you don't have time, but what if I told you that it takes just 3 days, Friday after work, all day Saturday, and a portion of Sunday, and you can have a solution that you can sell based on your skills, and on Monday, you can start promoting it. And speaking of promotion, you don't want to learn marketing. But after this video, you're going to realize that you don't need marketing. You just need to identify the problems that your audience already has and learn how to solve them. But here's at what's stake if you don't do anything today. If you do absolutely nothing, you're going to continue to spend every Friday and Monday worrying if you're on the layoff list. If you make no changes at all, you'll continue to push back the vacation to Disney World that you promised your kids many years ago. Before we continue, quick question. What's a boring skill that you've been giving away for free for the last 5 years? It could be at work, it could be something that your friends and family ask you to do. Name that skill down below. I read every comment and I'll reply to yours. Now let's talk about the math required to make $3,196 per month from your skill. And it's actually much simpler than you think. But before we get into the math, I'm going to answer one pressing question that you're probably already thinking about. You're probably thinking, how do I find these boring skills? How do I sell them? And where do I find people that are going to buy them? And I'm going to answer all of them, but let's talk about the math first. There are 4 simple places that you can find your boring skill. One are spreadsheet templates. Maybe you've created a spreadsheet at work. Maybe you've created a spreadsheet at home to help make sure that you are budgeting your family correctly. Next are process documents. Have you ever put together a system for your workplace or your personal life to help standardize a process? Those are called standard operating procedures, and it helps people move quickly through repeatable processes. Next is training material. That could be the way that you teach new hires, or again, a process to help solve a problem and help your coworkers move faster so that they can get the result that they need. Now let's quickly talk about the math required to make $3,196 per month. You just need to take the skill that you already have, create a $47 template, guide, roadmap, and make 68 sales per month. That comes out to $3,196 per month. Now $47 is kind of on the higher end. You could sell that same skill for $27. Just know that the more you charge, the fewer clients you'll need or fewer customers you need. However, when you start charging $47, people will need to think about it more. At $20, it's more of an impulse buy and they'll think no harm, no foul if it doesn't work for me. At $47, they might have to consult with a significant other. They might have to plan for it a little bit more or consider skipping a lunch. Regardless of what you decide to sell it for, the math works for it and it can work for you. Step 1, and the most important part of this process, is identifying the boring skill that can make you money. Most people make the mistake of skipping that boring skill they already know and try and go out and find a bunch of new skills because they think that's where the money is. The person that I'm going to show you later on in this video had spent 5 years with the same boring skill doing it for free at work. He didn't go out and learn anything new. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to take 10 minutes after this video and write down 5 boring skills that you implement at work or at home. Like I mentioned, it could be a spreadsheet, it could be a standard operating procedure, it could be a framework that you've given to hundreds of people and your boss relies on so that the work can actually get done. Now, once you pick that boring thing that you give away for free, I want you to write down the steps that you take in order to solve the problem for the audience. It should take less than 5 minutes, but you're going to have a completed product that you can sell to a specific group of people. Now, before we continue on, I put together a free one-page worksheet that goes along with this video. You can find it at notes.platformproof.com. This worksheet will help you identify that boring skill. It'll actually help you connect it with a product that you can sell, and it'll actually help you with how to market it to people. It's 100% free, and you'll get access to every other worksheet that accompanies this YouTube channel. Again, it's at notes.platformproof.com. Go ahead and get it today. Step 2 is putting together that boring template, document, or skill that you have. And what's really important is you don't need to put together 50 templates or put together a 200-page guide. You just need something that is clear, simple, direct, and helps your audience get from point A to point B. This can be a Google Sheet, a Google Doc, a PDF, or even a short training that is made up of videos you created on your iPhone. Again, and I can't stress this enough, the most important aspect of this solution is that it's small, specific, and it helps your audience get from point A to point B as quickly as possible. Most people that are new to creating digital solutions try and throw in a bunch of junk in there to make it seem more valuable, but in reality, it often creates more confusion and it takes away from what you actually know how to do. Now, you should be able to put together this simple guide, cheat sheet, or Google Sheet in one Saturday. Now, the next step, and probably the most important step, is the customer. You want to own the customer, and by owning the customer, you want to sell the product on your own. You don't want to rely on something like Etsy or Amazon or Creative Market. And the reason is those platforms own the customer. You don't get access to their email. You can't follow up and sell them more stuff later. But when you own the customer, when you have your own sales page and you're collecting email, you can reach out to them and ask them if they need more assistance. You can sell them more things in the back end, and you can find more like-minded individuals. Now, if you're wondering where do you actually sell these products, you can get started for free using Gumroad. Ultimately, I'd recommend that you use something like Gbolt Systems, but Gumroad is a good place to start if you're brand new and not sure if it's going to work or not. And again, you might be wondering, how do I actually get in front of these people? And the best part is you can create videos here on this platform getting in front of the exact people that have the exact problem that you know how to solve. For example, let's say you work in accounting and your job is to put together accounts receivable. You simply can create videos here on YouTube targeting or helping other accountants reconcile their reports, and then in the description you let them know that you have a solution or a template to help them solve their problem faster or easier. So to recap, you identify one boring skill that you have. In this instance, it would be you're an accountant that helps people with accounts receivable. Step 2, you put together the Google Sheet in a Saturday, and then step 3, you sell it through Gumroad and you market it, or you talk about it here on YouTube. The thing that's really important to understand is that you use YouTube to get attention. It's the front door. Don't rely on YouTube to actually pay you through the YouTube Partner Program, because you could be waiting around for months, weeks, or even years. When you sell your digital product, your accountant's receivable guide, you can make money from day one from anybody that sees and gets value from your content. Now, again, it's really simple. You just recognize what it is, package it, and then promote it. And in reality, this should take you half of Friday after work, most of Saturday, and part of Sunday. On Friday, you're essentially going to come up with the idea and the outline. On Saturday, you're going to put the whole thing together. And then on Sunday, you're going to create the sales page. And then by Monday, you can start creating long or short form videos, getting in front of people that need your solution. Right now on your screen, you should see a card popping up that talks about a different boring skill that makes $3,000 per month. I found that if you watch videos that help you get to the same result using different boring skills, it'll start to make sense for you. So make sure you check out that video after watching this one. Earlier in this video, I listed 3 things that you're probably thinking or feeling. I said that you probably think that your skills aren't valuable enough. You are probably thinking that you don't have time, and you're probably thinking and feeling that you've got to learn a bunch of new skills. Which of those 3 resonate most with you? Comment down below. All right, so let's finally talk about how this person was able to make $3,196 from one boring skill. So what he did was make a $47 digital product, and he sold it to just 68 people. Now you might be thinking and feeling that 68 people sounds like a lot, and how am I going to get in front of 68 people? YouTube itself gets billions of monthly users. In order to get 68 people to buy a $47 product, you need less than 0.0001% of those billions of monthly users from YouTube. And before I reveal the name of the person and the boring skill that he turned into $3,000, let me invite you over to offerengine.platformproof.com. This is for the people that have identified their boring skill but not sure how to get it in front of the right people. With Offer Engine, we'll ask you a few questions and we'll put together a game plan to help you create your digital product and to market it so that you can start making money as quickly as possible. It's at offerengine.platformproof.com. It's the second link in the description. Right, without further ado, let's talk about the guy. His name is Reed Maddox, and he made $3,196 selling spreadsheet templates. His boring skill were Microsoft Excel spreadsheets that he did at work every single day. At first, he was just building them for himself, and then eventually he started building them for friends, family, and coworkers, all because they saw how well they worked. But more importantly, I want you to understand that you could do something like this too. The boring skill that you have is something that you could turn around and sell to strangers on the internet. You wouldn't have to bother your friends, family, or coworkers. You simply identify that boring skill that everybody has, and you create YouTube videos teaching that skill to other people. And what's really important I want to emphasize is that he didn't quit his day job. But even more importantly, when you have cash flow, it allows you to buy a little bit of patience. You're not constantly stressed or freaked out or concerned about the next round of layoffs. You're not sitting around hoping that you don't get an email from your boss saying, let's meet at 3 o'clock on a Friday. When you have something that you are creating and selling on your own, you're building a moat, you're building insulation so that your stress and your fear can go away. If you go out and build something based on your boring skill, your Saturdays could look much different. Instead of sleeping in, being stressed out from the week prior, you could be up early, drinking a coffee, and relaxing. And then all of a sudden you get 2 notifications on your phone that you've made sales from somebody that you've never met, from YouTube videos that you made 3, 6, or even 9 months ago. That's the power of creating a digital solution, a digital asset, based on the boring skill that you already have. You don't have to go viral. You don't have to burn the ships as some of the other gurus will lead you to believe. You simply will quietly build a digital product based on the skills you already have and create YouTube videos to get in front of people who need to know what you already know. So you walked in probably thinking and feeling the fear, the stress, the frustration of potentially being next on the chopping block or being laid off. You probably felt that your skills that you currently have don't matter, they're not relevant, and you've got to go out and learn a bunch of new things to stay current with the times. Hopefully by the end of this video, you realize that whatever you currently know now, there are millions of people out there that don't know what you know and are starving for your knowledge, your skills, and information. Hopefully by the end of this video, you walked out knowing that you have the skills, you know how to get in front of people, and you know how to create and sell. If you've got questions about it, leave it down below and I'll answer your question potentially in the next video. What's really important here is you're no longer a person chasing side hustles. You're someone with a basic skill that you can name, a YouTube channel, and a way to monetize your knowledge, skills, and experience 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without having to put in extra time, energy, and effort getting in front of the right people at the right time. Now, if you watch to this point, you're exactly who I built this channel for. My goal is to help 1 million people make their first $3,000 online with the boring skills that they have. If that's you, make sure that you follow, you subscribe, and share this video to someone that needs to monetize their boring skills just like you do. And I want you to watch this video next. It is the video on how I accidentally found a person that is making $3,000 per month with the boring skill that they have. It's a different video, a different skill set, but they are achieving the same result. You should be able to see that video somewhere on the screen. Go ahead and click that button now. And last but not least, go out and build that damn thing.